Welcome to the world of C# programming. In this lesson, we're going to create a tool called the Circle Properties Calculator. But what does it do? Well, think of it as a helpful tool for finding out things about circles. You know, those round shapes? Specifically, it'll figure out the diameter, area, and how long around the edge, circumference, a circle is. You tell it how big the circle is by giving it a number called the radius, and it'll do all the math for you. You might wonder why it's useful to know stuff about circles. The truth is, circles are all around us, not just in textbooks. They show up in lots of real-life situations. For example, architects use circles when they design round parts of buildings or roads. Engineers need to get circle math right for things like making gears in machines. Even in everyday life, like figuring out how much pizza you have or how far you run around a circular track, understanding circle properties comes in handy. So, by the end of this lesson, you'll not only have a nifty circle properties calculator but also see how these circle calculations can help you in everyday situations. Let's get started. By the end of this lesson, learners will have a solid grasp of key mathematical concepts related to circles, including radius, diameter, area, and circumference. They will be able to apply this knowledge to solve real-world problems involving circular shapes, such as calculating the dimensions of circular objects or spaces. Learners will also demonstrate their programming skills by creating a circle properties calculator in C# that accurately performs calculations based on user input. With this foundation, students will have the skills to enhance and expand the calculator, adding new features or improving its interface for advanced applications. This C# program calculates and displays circle properties based on user input, specifically the radius. It starts by including the system namespace and organizing code under the Circle Properties Calculator namespace. The entry point is the main method, where execution begins. The program displays the titles iNet-Tutor.com and Circle Properties Calculator before prompting the user to enter a circle radius. It validates the input and, if valid, calculates the diameter, area, and circumference based on the entered radius. It displays these results to the user. If the input is invalid, an error message is shown. Finally, the program waits for the user to press any key before exiting. Watch the video on how to compute the properties of a circle in C#. In this blog post, we embarked on a journey to demystify the process of creating a circle properties calculator in C#. We learned how to create a simple yet powerful console application that calculates and displays the diameter, area, and circumference of a circle based on user input. Hey everyone! We just wanted to take a moment to say a huge thank you to each and every one of you. Whether you've been here from the start or just joined, your support means the world to us. Your likes, comments, and shares truly motivate us to create more content, and we love hearing your feedback. It helps us make the channel better for you. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit subscribe and the notification bell, and feel free to share any ideas for future videos in the comments. Thank you so much for being such an amazing community, and we can't wait to share more with you all.